3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Howard Lake, or 10 miles southwest of Buffalo, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Montrose at 20 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Winstead and Watertown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near local area lakes, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver, McLeod, and Wright.